Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're working on a 2015 Jeep Patriot. Customer came in on one of those really cold spells and said they weren't getting much of any heat out of the heater. Took a look at it, looked like the thermostat was actually stuck open. Advised them we needed to replace the thermostat to get the vehicle back up to proper operating temperature, and felt like that could solve the issue with no heat. As you can see from the picture here, it's a pretty good sized assembly. The whole thermostat housing is one piece with the thermostat included. Got that repair done, took it for a drive, had heat almost instantly like the customer said it used to have. Was able to get it back to them in the same day. So if you have a vehicle that's having some heat issues, not quite sure what's going on or why, those are definitely things that we can address here at 3D Auto Repair. If you have an issue like that, we do offer free estimates. Thanks for watching. My name's Dan. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.